What if your bank account kept growing, even while you were asleep? No boss, no overtime, no clocking in. Just steady, consistent income flowing in, month after month. Sounds like a dream. It's not. In this video, I am going to show you the best passive income strategies you can start today to build long-term wealth and create the freedom you've been chasing. Hey, welcome back to Financially, the place where we talk about money, investing, and financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that could change your financial life. Today, we're talking about passive income, and I am not just going to throw random ideas at you. I'll break down strategies that actually work in 2025, how to start them in the US, and how to make them sustainable for the long run. Section 1. Why passive income matters. Passive income isn't just extra cash, it's the foundation of financial independence. Think of it as building money machines that run in the background. Most people spend their entire lives trading hours for dollars, but the wealthy, they focus on assets that keep paying them forever. Passive income gives you three main benefits: time freedom, spend more time with family, travel, or work on projects you love. Financial stability, even if you lose your job, you still have money coming in. Wealth building, the extra cash can be reinvested to grow your portfolio faster. Section 2. The mindset shift. Before we dive into the actual strategies, you need to change your mindset. Passive income isn't quick cash. It's slow, steady, and scalable. Here's the truth. At first, passive income often takes active work to set up. Once built, it keeps paying with minimal effort. The earlier you start, the faster you compound your results. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it at first, but eventually, it grows fruit every year without much effort. Section 3. Proven passive income strategies. 1. Dividend stock investing. If you want truly hands-off income, dividend stocks are one of the best places to start. What it is, you buy shares of companies that pay dividends, a portion of their profits, to shareholders every quarter. Example, companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble have been paying dividends for decades. How to start? Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard, and look for dividend aristocrats, companies with a long history of increasing payouts. Pro tip: reinvest your dividends early to compound your returns faster. 2. Real estate rentals. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other investment. What it is, you buy property and rent it out to generate monthly cash flow. Benefits: you earn rental income, property value, appreciation, and tax benefits. In the US, tools like Zillow and Realtor.com can help you find deals. Platforms like Roofstock let you buy rental properties already managed by someone else. Pro tip: start with a small single-family rental or a house hack, renting out part of your own home. 3. REITs. Real estate investment trusts. Not ready to manage a property? Try REITs. What it is, you invest in companies that own income-generating real estate and they pay you dividends. Example, Public Storage, Realty Income. Benefit: you can start with as little as $100. No tenant calls, no maintenance headaches. 4. Online courses and digital products. With the rise of online learning, creating a course or selling digital products can bring in serious income. What it is, you package your knowledge into a course, ebook, or template and sell it online. Platforms: Teachable, Udemy, Gumroad. Pro tip: focus on solving a problem that people are actively searching for. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. How it works: you recommend a product using a special link. When someone buys, you get paid. Example, Amazon Associates, ShareSale, or ClickBank. Why it's great: no need to create your own product, and it works well if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals and earn interest. It's riskier than stocks, but offers higher potential returns. 7. Automated side businesses. With tools like Shopify, dropshipping, or Amazon FBA, you can set up online stores that run with minimal effort once the systems are in place. Section 4. Building for the long term. The key to long-term passive income is diversification. Don't rely on just one stream. Aim for at least 3. Here's your action plan. Start with one strategy you understand best. Build it to a stable monthly income. Use the profits to invest in other passive streams. This way, you're not dependent on one income source, and your wealth grows faster. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes. Putting all your money into one investment. Not reinvesting your returns early on. Ignoring taxes. Passive income still needs smart tax planning in the US. Passive income is your ticket to financial freedom, but it only works if you take action. Pick one of these strategies, commit to it, and start building today. Remember, the best time to plant a money tree was yesterday. The second best time is now. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, Share it with a friend who needs to start their wealth journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful money tips every week. Your future self will thank you.